It's Amanda here, and this week's blog is all about motivation. And I wanted to give you some tips and tools on how I get motivated to get things done. Very fitting for the start of the year. So motivation is all about how we are driven towards our goals and what we do about that to make it all happen. And I don't know if you experience similar problems as I do, where there are always, hey Stelly, there are many things that I want to achieve and get done in my life, professionally and personally, and we can say yes to so many things that we end up living and thinking cluttered lives. This is not the best way to achieve our goals, to be productive or to get things done. So I've built a model around how to stay motivated, which is also going to help us to be more creative, more innovative, and inspired, and therefore motivated. You need to create space to do that. And so I've got some tips and tools this week on how to create space in your thinking, in how you organize yourself in the morning, in your actions as well, because what you say no to and what you don't do is actually more important than what you do. So I really hope you enjoy this week's blog with some juicy tips and tools on how to stay motivated using mindset, elimination and action. See you next week.